Hi everyone, welcome to Hibernate tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we have covered the list operation of the criteria. So in this tutorial, what we will cover our next topic. So we have this range in which we pass the first result and maximum result, then then restrictions, orders, and this projections. So first we will cover this uh, first result and maximum result. So here what we will do in the main class, what we can do in the same example here, criteria dot. So here what we can do, we can call this method set first result. Set first result, suppose first result is 1, and then we have criteria dot set maximum result. So maximum result is 3. So let's run this part. So we have add this range from 1 to 3. So let's see. So here you can see that it has selected only 2 records from 1 to 3. If we pass this value from 0 to 3, let's see. So here you can see that it has selected all the 3 records. If we pass from 2 to 3, then it will select only 1 record. So here you can see that it has selected only 1 record. So on the basis of this set first result and maximum result, we can filter our records. Suppose we have thousands of record and we need 20 or 50 at a time, then we can pass this uh, criteria we can pass this as uh, argument, like first result as from 0 to 50. First result is 0, then maximum result is 50. After that we can pass from 50 to 100, 150. So in this way we can filter the records. Now our next part is we have to add the restrictions. So we will add restriction GT where salary is greater than 10,000. So if we see in the database, we have 2 records having salary greater than 10,000. One is telecom, another is ABC. So it should filter out the test records. So let's see how we will do that. In the main dot class, let's remove this part. Here what we will do, criteria dot add. So here we will add the criterion and restrictions. So here we will use restriction dot gt, property name is salary, and value is where salary is greater than 10,000. So filter all the records where salary is greater than 10,000. So this is the meaning of the restriction. So we can pass the restriction dot gt. Gt here is stands for the greater than. So it will filter all the records where the salary is greater than 10,000. So let's run this part. And here you can see that there are 2 records. One is telecom, another is ABC. So it has filtered out the test record from the database. So in this way we can add restriction to the criteria in order to filter the records from the database. And after that we have this ordering. We can pass order. How we will do that? So on the basis of order we will filter our records. So here what we can do, here we will pass the order. So we will use the order dot. So on the basis of ascending order of salary, we will filter the records. So it should filter the record like first record should be test, after that it should be telecomma, then it should be avc. So we have to add this as a order, add order. So here we should have method add order. So let's run this part. So here you can see that first record is test, then we have first is 1100, then we have 11,000, then we have 12,000. So on the basis of this salary it has filtered the records. So if we pass here age, so it will filter the record in order of ascending order of age. So here you can see that 20, 25, 26. If we pass here descending, so here it will DESC. So here on the basis of descending order of age it will filter the record. So here you can see that 26, 25 and 20. So with the help of this order we can filter the records in the criteria. So next part is projection. We have to set the projection. Suppose we want to select only username and salary. So what we can do here is criteria dot set projection. So projection will be, so we will here what we will do, we will set the projection as username, projection dot dot. So what we will do, we will add this property to the projection. So property we will only add username. So it will select only username from the database. So here we will see string cannot be cast. So we are facing some problem here. So let's run it again. Close this part. Username. So here we will display the username only. Oh, so it will return the only single return, not the strings. So here what we will do, we will just list. So it will return all the list of the strings. So here we have only username. So users, here we will pass string and just you. So let's run this part. So here you can see that it has selected all the records from the database. So it has selected the all the username from the database. So it will not return the, it will return the names only, and here we can pass the names and name, and here name. So this will be the right way. So it will return the, so whatever criteria, whatever projection you have set, here we have set the username, so it will return the list of the names, list of the usernames, and it will display on the console. So here you can see that it has selected all the username, telecom, test and abc. So in this session we have covered all the examples of the criteria. So thank you for